The curse of the three elephants in a peaceful village surrounded by lush green fields. Agriculture was the way of life. Among its people were Arjun and Meera, childhood friends whose love blossomed as they grew. Their families and the entire village welcomed their decision to marry, and preparations for the grand wedding filled the air with joy. However, an ancient belief loomed over the village. A legend warned that if a couple was not truly meant for each other, three mighty elephants would descend upon their wedding and destroy the village. But since no such event had occurred in 2 generations, people dismissed it as mere folklore. On the wedding day, the village came alive with celebration. Just as the rituals were about to conclude, the ground trembled, and a deafening roar echoed. Three enormous elephants stormed in from the forest, their eyes burning with fury. Trumpeting loudly, they charged, sending waves of terror through the crowd. Despite their fear, the villagers united to defend their home. Armed with farming tools and wooden staffs, they stood against the beasts. But the elephants were too powerful, trampling everything in their path. Many brave souls perished in their attempt to stop them. Then, the village warriors and guards appeared, led by 4 heroic fighters. They fought fiercely but were soon overpowered and left gravely wounded. Just when all hope seemed lost, the skies rumbled, and a divine light descended. The god who watched over the village appeared, silencing the chaos. The elephants, recognizing their master, halted and bowed before him. The god spoke, "I sent these elephants not to destroy you, but to test you. In the face of danger, you stood together, proving that unity is your greatest strength." With a wave of his hand, he healed the wounded and restored the village. Then he declared, "As long as you remain united, no harm shall ever come to your village." The elephants vanished into the mist, never to return. The wedding was completed with divine blessings, and Arjun and Meera's love became a symbol of the village's unbreakable spirit. From that day, the village thrived, bound by the lesson they had learned: unity is strength.